AI is among the more recent sciences. The actual name was first used in 1956, but work began in earnest shortly after World War II. AI presently covers a wide range of subfields, from general-purpose domains like perception and logical reasoning to specialized ones like chess playing, mathematical theorem proof, poetry composing, and illness diagnosis. AI typically involves incorporating human intelligence characteristics into computer-friendly algorithms. What is AI? Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science concerned with making computers behave like humans. According to the father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, it is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Systems that think like humans. The exciting new effort to make computers think machines with minds, in the full and literal sense. Hodgland, 1985. The automation of activities that we associate with human thinking, activities such as decision making, problem solving, learning. Bellman, 1978. Systems that act like humans. The art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by people. Kurzweil, 1990. The study of how to make computers do things at which, at the moment, people are better. Richard Knight, 1991. Systems that think rationally. The study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. Chamiak and McDermott, 1985. The study of the computations that make it possible to perceive, reason, and act. Winston, 1992. Systems that act rationally. Computational intelligence is the study of the design of intelligent agents. Poole et al. 1998. AL is concerned with intelligent behavior in artifacts. Nilso, 1998. The definitions on the left measure success based on human performance, while the definitions on the right measure against an ideal concept of intelligence, called rationality. A rational system is one that performs the right thing based on its knowledge. There are various definitions of AI. They are basically categorized into four categories. 1. Acting humanly, the Turing test approach. 2. Thinking humanly, the cognitive modeling approach. 3. Thinking rationally, the laws of thought approach. 4. Acting rationally, the rational agent approach. Acting humanly, the Turing test approach. Alan Turing, in 1950, created the Turing test to give a clear and practical definition of intelligence. A computer passes the test if a person asking questions in writing can't tell if the answers are from a person or a computer. Currently, we recognize that getting a computer ready to pass the test involves a lot of work. The computer should have these abilities. 1. Natural language processing to enable it to communicate successfully in English. 2. Knowledge representation to store what it knows or hears. 3. Automated reasoning to use the stored information to answer questions and to draw new conclusions. 4. Machine learning to adapt to new circumstances and to detect and extrapolate patterns. To pass the complete Turing test, the computer will need 1. Computer vision to perceive the objects and 2. Robotics to manipulate objects and move about. Thinking humanly, the cognitive modeling approach. We need to get inside actual working of the human mind. Through introspection, trying to capture our own thoughts as they go by. Through psychological experiments. Alan Newell and Herbert Simon, who developed GPS, the general problem solver, tried to trace the reasoning steps to traces of human subjects solving the same problems. Cognitive science combines computer models from artificial intelligence, AI, with experiments from psychology to create clear and testable theories about how the human mind works. Thinking rationally, the laws of thought approach. Aristotle and Greek philosopher tried to organize right thinking or logical reasoning. Aristotle's syllogism gave patterns for arguments. If the information was right, like Socrates is a man, all men are mortal, therefore, Socrates is mortal, the conclusions were always correct. Aristotle believed these laws of thought governed how our minds work. Studying them started the field we now call logic. Acting rationally, the rational agent approach. An agent is something that acts. Computer agents are more than just programs, they are supposed to have certain qualities like working independently, understanding their surroundings, lasting for a long time, and adapting to changes. A rational agent is someone or something that acts to get the best result, or, when things are uncertain, the best expected result. Studying AI as a rational agent is good for two reasons. It's broader than the approach using laws of thought because being right is just one way to be smart, and there are many ways to be smart. It's easier to develop scientifically compared to approaches based on how humans behave or think because the standard for being smart is clear and general.